welcome back to the 509. Today we are working on some closures for I believe it's a clay tile roof. These are closures that are made out of clay, terracotta, and they can't get any right now. They don't have any in stock, and the roofer needs them right away, so he asked me to make 125 of them. So anyways, I was wanting to see what I could do to simplify this process. We need to make, we've got to just do the outside part of this. We don't have to have the thickness or anything like that. So we need to have these pieces cut like this in this design and then folded like that on the sheet metal brick. So I wanted to kind of do a quick review on this machine right here. This is a sheet metal guillotine that I bought a little while back, and it's pretty handy. If you look at it, it's got a 36-inch blade here, and it's mounted on a heavy piece of C-channel. Excuse me. And this is where you operate it from, of course. And you can see that it's a pretty dangerous machine here. Or not machine, but tool. So it's got a return spring on it right here, which makes it really handy to operate. You can see it. And then it's got the this bolt right here acts as a stop. So when you pull down, it stops it right there. So I'm going to draw out some of these patterns on here. Made a template already. I'm going to draw them out and show you what we come up with, and I'll set you up on a tripod so you can see this thing in action right here. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you how I trim this out on here. All right, so we need to be safe with this thing. This thing is stout and it could hurt you. So anyways, we need to go ahead and start cutting these pieces off here. Just got to make sure you hold this thing steady because it'll want to twist on you a little bit. The other thing I'm trying to do is just at least cut off a lot of this majority here, so it's easier to cut with a snip by hand. So we're doing this number here. Cut this off like this. Just gotta hold it tight, like I said, because it'll twist on you and it'll want to go one way or the other and get off your line. Let's look at it from the other side. All right, so there you go. We got these. We got 75 more that we need to do. So I got a few stacks of 25s there. Now the guillotine shear itself comes in assorted sizes. The one that I have here is 36-inch, and I also seen them on Amazon, and I'll put a few links in the description if you want to check that out and click on those, and you can check out some of the other sizes that they have. I think they go anywhere from, I think it's like 20 inches all the way up to 50 inches. But I got this one at a 36-inch length, so that way I could use it to cut some of these 24-inch trim coils. But it's got more purposes and uses than that. So just be safe if you get one of these. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you can take a second and subscribe and hit the notifications bell, I'd greatly appreciate it. And we will see you next time back here at the 509. Y'all take care.